Plant stem cells have garnered attention for their potential benefits in skincare and overall health. These stem cells possess unique properties, including the ability to regenerate and differentiate into various cell types. Numerous studies have been conducted to explore effective ways of harnessing stem cells for wellness. Dr. Fred Zulli, a prominent scientist who graduated from ETH, one of the world's top universities, has developed plant cell culture technology, phytocell tech, that enables the large-scale cultivation of stem cells from rare or protected plants. Phytocell tech Malus domestica is a patented liposomal preparation of apple stem cells derived from a rare Swiss apple variety. These apple stem cells are rich in epigenetic factors and metabolites, ensuring the longevity of skin cells. Phytocell tech Solar Vitis, sourced from the Swiss Alps, safeguards your skin, leaving you with a radiant and youthful complexion. After thorough research, Renata Health World has developed RSC, a revolutionary formulation leveraging apple and grape stem cells to extend skin stem cell longevity. Enhanced by SODB from melon juice, provides antioxidant benefits, which have been highlighted clinically. Pureway C, reducing inflammation, protecting cells from cancer-causing damage, defending against cardiovascular disease, and helping grow and repair body tissue. Cyanthocks, which is extracted from an ancient plant grown in Tibetan Plateau called sea buckthorn, is contributing to anti-aging, vessel health, and blood circulation. Pomanox, a dry extract from pomegranate, affects systemically, particularly in the cardiovascular area, and benefits blood pressure as well. Renata Stemfood Cell is suitable for individuals of all age groups. Consume it directly by taking 1 sachet per day to experience the benefits of overall wellness. RSC, our daily supplement for health.